YouTube world, hello, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to O Avery, and this is a review of the Samsung Galaxy Buds. YouTube folks, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning into another video. Tonight we're doing a review on the, unboxing technically, Samsung Galaxy Buds. Now I'm pretty excited because I am a Samsung head. I have, if I knew where it was, I lost it. Oh, 1 second. You know, I have the Samsung Note 10 Plus, which I love. And if you have watched my other videos, you've probably seen me always rock these. I am notorious for having these on in all of my shoots, even when I'm working, because it's just so easy to take the headphone on and put it in my ear. These are my LG tones, by the way. But today I'm gonna cheat on these things and I'm gonna try out the Galaxy Buds. Now, before I wasn't really a fan of AirPods by Apple because I was like, I would lose those things in a heartbeat. Also, I don't use Apple products except for my iPad, but that's enough about Apple. I just thought that, you know, it made no sense to get these headphones that you could lose, you know, so easily, especially a person like me. I'm always putting things down and forgetting them somewhere. So I was like, I'm never getting headphones like that. But then I got the Galaxy Note 10 and I saw the reviews and then I was like, okay, maybe I'll try it. Also, you know, it kind of came free because I pre-ordered my phone. So I'm not complaining about it. But anyway, besides all that, let's check it out. There we go. True wireless earbuds by Samsung. 6 hours playtime. Nice. Also can be charged with the case. There's 3 sets of earbud tips, the USB-C cable, and the quick start guide. All right. Wait, this is compatible with iOS? Huh. Good job, Samsung. Alrighty then. All right, let me build a little box first. Let's see what's in this. We have the USB-C cable, which I have 2,500 of by now. I'm assuming these are tips of some sort. So AKA, oh yes, definitely don't lose these. All right, cool. And these are the headphones. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh, it feels nice and weighty. I like this. Should I be using a knife with these? Oh, quick start guide. I can't get it out. Oh, there it goes. Anything interesting? Like the Holy Grail location? Nope. Insert the buds, charge your device, indicator light, connect the power, charging port. The earbuds and the charging case are charged simultaneously. Touch sensitive sensor, charging contacts, blah, blah, blah. What the colors mean. My question is, how do you connect this? Is it complicated? Single tap music play pause. Oh, wait, one of these is open or closed. Double tap next song, also to answer calls. Triple tap music, previous song. Touch and hold, digital assistant. Launch Bixby or Google. Google, always Google. Calls, reject the call, mute, unmute, end the call, return the call waiting. Interesting. Let's see. Download the Galaxy wearable app, which I do have. Open the charging case to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. All right, let's make sure my phone is ready for Bluetooth pairing. Ooh, dope. I just opened it. Let's see if you guys can see that. Hey, picked up my Galaxy Buds. Sweet. Connect. Setting up your phone, app to install. 96, 97, 100%. Sweet. Da-da-da. Agree. Am I allowed to put this on my ears yet? Notifications. Get to know your Galaxy Buds. Use touchpad. swipe. Okay, let me put this onto my ear first. Let's see if these are comfortable. Right ear. Oh, it made a noise. Sweet. Left ear. Ambient sound. Turn on to amplify sound from your surroundings so you can stay aware of what's going on around you. How do you do that? Pairing with a phone or tablet. Charger with your phone. Oh, so these are all basically the instructions. Touchpad. I touched it. I did something. Oh! Sorry about that. Wait, what's going on? Oh. Oh. Music started playing and it really caught me off guard. I did not expect it to start playing. Whew. Wow, that was quite the interesting experience. Also, let me just say, the quality is really good. That was some great music playing in my ear. It was clear. The bass was nice. It was a good mix. It wasn't too heavy on the bass. Hey, 12, talk to me for a second. Oh, I can still hear you. Okay, cool. These are actually pretty comfortable. Not gonna lie. I like them. Wow. I think I'm going to be a very happy camper with my headphones. I can't really give an accurate review because, I mean, this is my first time trying them on, but so far. The sound on these sounds so amazing. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to use these more often. Let's see if I can just put it in without breaking it. I think that works. It's like magnetic or something, or I don't know. But it looks like they're both charging. Sweet! And then let's see. I think if you put this on here, it's supposed to charge. It's blinking. Does that mean it's charging? Charging disabled or error due to abnormal temperatures or low charging battery or case battery. All right, so. Oh, the case itself probably needs to be, I don't know what's going on. I'll figure it out. But in the meantime, I'm so excited to have these. If you guys have them, let me know what you think about these headphones or any tips and features that you should let me know or that. If there are any features that or tips that you guys can give me about these headphones, let me know in the comments below so I know how to take full advantage of these things, because so far they sound great. They're really comfortable, even though I had them in for like a couple seconds, and you know, I'm used to having in-ear headphones, so it's not a big deal to me, but some people don't. Like, I can't do the over-the-ear ones. I can't stand those. But I'm excited, so let me know what you think about them. And you know, if this is your first time seeing this video or my channel, please subscribe. Please give a thumbs up to the video. It really helps the channel. Ring the little bell or the icon, which is somewhere there, I think. So, you know, you get the notification every time we get a video up and uploaded, because we will be coming out with more on the regular this time. And let us know what you think. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.